want to share with you today is something that all of us are experiencing, and that is terrible air quality. For us up in the Northeast, the smoke from the fires in Canada. For you folks out in California, those terrible fires and heat. In fact, there isn't a person on the planet that isn't experiencing terrible air quality. It affects our lungs, it affects our health, it affects our skin and our hair. So what I'd like to share with you today especially is this exquisite product called Feng Shea, an exfoliating product for the skin. It has oils in it so that it's soft and it's not a hard scrub, but it smooths on really beautifully and then washes off very cleanly, and one feels that the skin has been cleaned from the inside. Again, Feng Shea. Use it in good health.